Hello guys and welcome back to MCK Auto. I've got another car for you here, just how to replace the bulbs on Peugeot 2008 facelift version LCI. This is only to show you how to replace them. I didn't have the LED on me, but as you can see how they work. Basically, these are halogen bulbs, not the LED, and all you have to do is go inside the lamp. The rest of the bulbs are LEDs, so there's only one to replace the indicator bulbs, PY21W. You simply pull out the cover from the back, twist it clockwise to the left, and pull out the bulb. Very simple, very easy. You can find out the PY21s are with like an offset pins. One is a little slightly like 45 degrees to the side, and just simply swap them with the LED bulbs that I'll put the links down in the description, and put it back in. Make sure that plastic holder for the bulb is aligned with the lamp inside there. You have to make sure it's all aligned first, then push it in and twist it to the right clockwise, and that's it. You're good to go, and the bulb should be fine. I'll try to post the link to good ones with CanBus, the strongest we have, so they don't throw up any errors. If anything, let me know. Thank you for watching.